Hello, my name is Brittany and today I'm going to be showing you how you can enable bidirectional copy-paste using Oracle VirtualBox Manager. So by default, when you set up a virtual machine using VirtualBox, bidirectional copy-paste is not enabled. So as you can see here, if I try and copy this piece of text from my host machine onto my virtual machine, it does not work. But thankfully it is a very quick and easy fix. All we need to do is open up VirtualBox and we'll go into the settings for the machine that we are wanting to change. Click on advanced and all we're going to do is select the bidirectional option under shared clipboard and drag and drop. Save those settings, and if we open up our virtual machine again, you can see that we can now copy this piece of text from our host onto our virtual machine. And it also works in the other direction as well. I hope you found this video useful, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I will see you next time. Thank you for watching.